Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this really simple rigatoni pasta today with tomatoes and cream. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started, shall we? So, in my pan here, I've got a little bit of oil. I'm using sunflower. Add in 1 cup of sliced onions and a tablespoon of garlic. We're on an above medium heat, so fairly lively, you know. Now once we've let them go for like 3 or 4 minutes, we're now going to be adding salt to taste and black pepper. And then I've got 2 cups of mushrooms. I've cut them quite small. You can slice them, put them in larger if you want. We're going to throw them around in the pan again on this above medium heat, fairly lively. So that's been going about 3 or 4 minutes again. A little bit of dried oregano or oregano, 1 teaspoon roughly. Then 1 can of tomatoes. That's a regular size can of tomatoes, 400 ml that is. That was a whole plum tomato. I just sort of chopped it up with my hand. I'm going to cook this now for 4 to 5 minutes again. Cook those tomatoes out a little bit. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add some cream. I've got a thick cream. You can use thick or thin, and I've got about 1 cup of cream there. It won't matter if you use thick or thin cream, it works out just the same. Little mix in there, give it that beautiful colour. Then I've got a cup of mozzarella cheese I'm using, but you could use parmesan or you could use some cheddar maybe, something to kind of make it nice and creamy. A nice mix in there. That cheese will melt in the sauce as the heat goes through it. And now pasta time. I've got 3 cups of pasta cooked. I'm using rigatoni, but of course you could be using any other type of pasta that you want. Let the heat go through that for another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep stirring, get the sauce in, on and around. That's it. It's really beautiful and easy. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.